In this video, I'll show you how to play Mostbet in Hindi. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So the play Mostbet in Hindi, first thing is to change your language to Hindi. When you come out to the last option here and choose Hindi. When you click on done, everything on your Mostbet is going to change to Hindi. So to play Mostbet, you can come over to sports and then choose pre-game. As you come over to pre-game, here are the various games that you can play. So if you choose football, they're going to show you the various football. You see there's Champions League, UEFA Champions League. So you choose the game you want to play. For instance, come over to Liverpool and Bayer Leverkusen. So if you bet on W2, you're betting on Bayer Leverkusen to win, and you go to outcome and put in the amount you want to bet. So if you play more, the more amount you play, the more you can win. So if you play $60, you can win up to $276. So if you play less, or you can add more, the more you go ahead, the more you can earn or win from playing in Mostbet. And that's how to play Mostbet in Hindi.